Hello, everybody. This is Farida Bharmal. And yesterday I was talking about handwriting analysis, the uses, the people who are using it. And I got a comment on my inbox. It must have been from a business person. I'm so glad that they, messaged me about it. So they said that in this day and age of technology, who is using handwriting and how in the world as a businessman uh, does it help me? Okay, very good question. We are not against technology, we use technology, so let's keep it to one side. It's really useful. Don't jumble up both of it, right? And as far as your own handwriting is concerned, as a business person, okay, because I take business counseling sessions, I'm going to share one small little activity with you all. And as you're watching the video, do this activity. It is really going to help you out, especially if you are in a business, whether it's a startup or, in the middle, or a veteran person. Okay. So take a plain sheet of paper. All right. Once you have taken the plain sheet of paper, just write down on one side your current reality, what's happening right now in your business. Okay. And at this end, write your desired result, which you want. Your desired result, which you want from your business. Okay. Your current reality, your desired outcome which you are looking for. Okay. Now, once you have written this, draw an arc. इधर से उधर जाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए, right? So we'll have a rasta over here. Draw an arc, draw a road, and write down steps. How many steps would it take for you to reach from here to here, right? Now, this once you have done that, this will look like a khai, it will have a space below. So write obstacles. What are the obstacles which you have in front of you? And here above, draw a tree, draw a ladder, and write down all the resources which are available to you right now. Okay? So, shall I give you 5 seconds? Maybe you want to, again, rewind this video, see it, do it, and then come back again. I hope you have done it. Please be as specific as possible. It'll be really helpful. Trust me. Okay. So I'm hoping that you would have done it. Right? So the drawing could look something like this. Right? Where it could be your current reality, desired results, the steps which I'm going to take, the obstacles which are there, and the resources which are there. Now, if you have done it, I want you to notice how much have you written. Have you been able to be specific? I really hope you have done this exercise because it's going to be very valuable to you. Okay. So if you have done this exercise, first thing is notice, okay, is this part big or is this part big? And how many points are there? How many obstacles are there? Somewhere in your mind, with the available resources, have you just not, thinking that, arey, mera obstacles bahut zyada hai. Maybe this is something which is really holding me back, but maybe you have just numbered 1 or 2 over here. And you have a lot of resources available. Just think about it. And how many steps do you really need? What is the sort of clarity which you have got after doing this exercise? Think about it. Let me know. I'll be waiting for your comments because this is very powerful. It's one of the exercises which I do with my clients in my counseling sessions. So, do leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And I hope by now, after doing the exercise, you would have understood how in the world writing can help you out, because we have used two very major techniques here. One is your own handwriting and a projection of what's happening here. What is the obstacles which are in my mind? How big are they in my mind? What are the resources? Am I really using those resources? How should I use it? What are the steps which are required for me to go? Is there clarity which has come to you after this exercise? Let me know. Thank you so much.